Overfishing is a catastrophic problem that poses a grave threat to our oceans and our future. The sheer scale of this issue cannot be understated. The majority of the world's fish are either fully or overexploited. This path that we are on could lead to a world without fish, resulting in a loss of seafood, livelihood, and marine ecosystems. Now let's get a quick change of scenery so we can understand this better. The negative impacts of overfishing are devastating, not just for fish, but for the entire ecosystem. It disrupts the food chain, destroys habitats, and leads to biodiversity loss. If we do not act now, many species will face extinction and the entire food chain could collapse. Fortunately, we can make a difference by choosing sustainable seafood options, avoiding overfished species, and implementing policies to manage fish stocks and adopting sustainable fishing practices. We can protect our oceans for a future generation. It's time to take responsibility for our actions and make a change for the better before it's too late. We must protect our oceans and our lifetime. It is our fate.